So today I would like to introduce the stainless steel rail top chain conveyor. And so positioned at the front of the conveyor is their interface with a hot forging press, where the temperature of the workpieces is relatively high after forging. And to smoothly proceed to the next stage of the manufacturing process, Lichen assisted the clients in planning the equipment connected to the conveyor and cooling down the workpieces to the required temperature. This conveyor utilized heat-resistant stainless steel top chain belt. And beneath the top chain belt, we replaced the commonly used UPE material chain guide with the brazed chain guide to prevent contact between the workpieces, thus avoiding potential melting in high-temperature environments. And due to the significant variation in workpieces dimensions, we designed a mechanism that can adjust 8 aisles with adjustable side guides to minimize personnel operation time. And considering the possibility of oil on the conveyed material, we installed material sheet door panels on the bottom and sides of the conveyor to facilitate easier cleaning and enhance safety. So any question with the conveyor, please let us know.